Hi guys, it's Alpha Blue and you're welcome to yet another daily Euro USD fundamental and technical analysis. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. In this channel, every day I go over our favorite pair, Euro USD, giving us the market overview and breakdown and what to expect during the London session and even into the New York session. So in today's video, before we start the technical analysis, let's check the Forex Factory website to see what the fundamental event will be for today. So today, Monday, 10th of April, is very, very quiet. There's a lot of bank holidays because of the Eid Mubarak celebration, I guess. So as you can see, everywhere is just quiet. No any red event. So today we are likely to see not so much volatility in the market because of the bank holidays. But you never can tell, the market can still move, the market can still move. At least you can get some decent number of pips from the market if it decides to move. So that's it for the fundamental side. Yesterday, I did a weekly market update on Euro USD, and this was what I will put up the video. The link up to the video will also be in the description, and you can check for the video. It will pop up on your screen. So in that video, I was explaining what I anticipated for Euro USD in this week, which is I anticipate that Euro USD will continue its bullish move. As you can see, it has been bullish. Even for on the higher time frame, you will see that it has been very bullish. So I anticipate that it will continue this bullish move all the way to the upside, at least to here for the short term, before it breaks and continues buying. Why? Because DXY is very bearish, and a lot of fundamental events that have been happening also support that DXY is going to be bearish. So if DXY is bearish, that means Euro USD will be bullish. So this was what I drew. I expect price to do this before it moves up. Now, I don't know how deep it's going to pull back before it continues moving. But right now, we can even begin to see like some bullish action this early morning. See this 1 hour candle right here. So let's go to 30 minutes. Let me see. Now, this was like a level, like another block I marked out on the 30 minutes to see if the market will hold here and continue the bullish move. Well, it broke it, but then let's see. Right now, what I'm looking out for is to see if price will want to come and take out this week right here. It's possible. This price may still decide to come and take out this week. This whole idea, you never can tell how deep down it's willing to go before we continue to see the bullish movement. So just observe the market, trade what you see. Don't force trades at the market, just trade what you see. So the whole idea is this, for us to see this movement, but you don't know, I don't know how deep Euro USD is going to pull back before it goes up. So we'll just stay put and trade what we see. It may come down here to take out this week. If it doesn't, we wait for it to break structure to the upside. Once it breaks structure like this to the upside, we wait for it to come back. We test a key level, a demand zone, or another block. Then we buy it to the upside. So this is what I'm anticipating on Euro USD this morning from the technical side of things. And one of the reasons, many reasons why we're looking forward to see a bullish move is because one, we have equal highs resting here, which is liquidity. There's imbalance to fill. If you check the higher time frame, like the 4 hour, you see a very clear imbalance right here that needs to be filled. That price will want to go and take out and all of that. Now, let's go to the lower time frame and see what price is probably doing. If you look at this on the lower time frame, let's go to the 15-minute. You'll see that price has broken out of this Asian range. This is the Asian range. Price has broken out of this Asian range and has given a break of structure to the downside right here. right? So in another angle to look at this, you may see this as another opportunity to sell the market because there's another block here that gives the change of character or break of structure to the downside. So this is the other block, right? On the 15 minutes. This is the other block, right? At the 15 minutes. So you can even look at this as an idea. But why I will not, then your plan is to target down here, right? To see if the market will come and take out this week before it buys. You never can tell. But I won't be entering this particular trade idea. Why? Because it's quite still early. You never, this is Monday, bank holiday, it's very early. I mean, you don't know what the market will do. It's not, I mean, you don't know, it can still go back up and probably range throughout the day. So even though this looks like a good setup and something that is worth looking at, but me personally, I will not enter this particular setup right here. The only time I'm going to be entering this, so this is the idea right here, for a 5 hour. The only time I'll enter this is if I see that it gives a further break of structure to the downside. It does this again. It breaks here again. Fine, I'll look for sell. But from here, I won't sell. But if it breaks structures the downside again, then I'll look to enter on another other block around here. So this is what I'll be doing. This is what I'll be looking out for. Then we may see it take out here before it buys. But if it doesn't buy, if it doesn't take out that this, then we just wait for the market to do what it does, what it wants to do. Then we trade what we see. So this is the idea for today. I won't sell right here. I'll wait for it to break this structure again before I look for sell opportunities to this week right here. Or it breaks this structure up here and then it breaks the level, or it breaks this level up, give us like a retest, and then I buy. So this is what I'm looking to do. This is what I'm waiting for to happen on this pair. Now, let's compare this whole analysis to what is going on the DXY to see what's up. You know if we are on point. Now, you see on the DXY, there's no any, this is one of the reasons why it is always very important for you to compare your Euro USD analysis to the DXY. Because right here on the DXY, this level has broken to the downside. So we're probably going to see continuous same bearish movement. You understand? But on the Euro USD, price was exactly at this other block. Let me draw the other block for you to see. On Euro USD, price was exactly at this other block. Now see the other block, right? Let me go to Euro USD. See, price is still dancing inside of the other block. So you will not know, you would think that this is probably going to hold and you sell. Not knowing that on DXY, price has already broken itself and is likely to continue going in its direction. See now, price has broken this place. And we're likely going to see price push down. You get? Push down. So if you are entering this setup on Euro USD thinking that you sell another block you want to sell from, I'm sorry, you DXY will not buy. DXY will come down. DXY will come down. So that is why it's very good for you to compare and contrast with DXY. So this particular thing we have seen on DXY now, it has already invalidated this setup that it was on Euro USD, this sell setup. Now, this video, just watch and see, this price will break here and come all the way to the top here. Why? Because of what DXY is doing. Most likely, it will break this level and come up because of what DXY is doing. Now, if you look at DXY, you see that it's more clear, it's clearer. You get, like, seeing this on DXY, why would you think that DXY will hold this level and buy? It has broken it, so you of course expect that it will continue going down. So let's analyze DXY from the higher time frame and see what's up. So this is DXY, has been bearish for a long time. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Respecting multiple area of supply. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is how the 4 hours looks. You can see a very clean bearish move. Respecting multiple supply zones for a very long time. Look at this sweet supply zone that was respected. Very sweet. Oh my God. So ranging, but we're expecting to see bearish move to the downside to fill up this imbalance here, right? So let's see. 1 hour, 2 hours. Look, the market is beginning to be bearish. Probably will come and take out this week. So from here, sir, if you look at this whole stuff, there's no way you begin to think that this market will hold that little other block that was on 5 minutes. If you check the higher time frame, you get from the higher time frame, you already know that that other block is not carrying any weight. It's not heavy. It is like inconsequential to what the market will want to do. So that is just it. So 30 minutes. Price has taken out the Asian high. It's likely going to come down to sweep the Asian low. Likely. You never can tell 100%. So let's just see what it does, you know. This was the analysis I had yesterday on stabilities. Okay, so that's it for DXY. At least DXY has helped us to realize that this other block will equally not hold on Euro USD because it has been taken out here on DXY. So sometimes Euro USD will be lagging. It won't be happening exactly the same time. You get what I mean by that is, even though DXY and Euro USD are inversely correlated, but they don't move exactly at the same time. So DXY sometimes will make the move first before Euro USD will be following behind, doing the opposite, you get. So it's good to come and check what DXY has done, because sometimes DXY will reach a level and probably break it, but Euro USD has not reached that particular level on its own side. So if you are watching to sell Euro USD at that level, you need to come and check what DXY is doing at its own corresponding level. If DXY breaks its level, then you know that Euro USD will most likely break its own level to the opposite side. You get? I hope this makes sense, guys. I hope you understand this. So that's just it. It's very important that you always cross-reference with DXY. So this other block on 5 minutes, rubbish, not going to hold. Come to real USD, you'll see it. You see it's beginning to push up again. A lot of people will be looking at this as an entry opportunity. But I mean, no. Well, even if this holds and Euro USD sells, fine. But from the logic, from what we're seeing on the chart, this is the most logical explanation, or most logical thing to anticipate from the market. So that is it for the Euro USD daily analysis. I hope you got value from this. I hope you're able to take away something from this. So just always wait for price to do its thing and you trade what you see. I'm not a financial advisor. There's no any guarantee that all that I've said here is going to play out. So don't go bet your life savings on this. Just apply proper risk management every time and trade what you see. Trade what you see. Don't rush into the market. Wait for it to give you its footprint. Then you trade what you see. So guys, if you found this useful, please don't forget to like this video, smash the like button, and also smash the subscribe button. So we do this every day, every day. So cheers, guys, and see you in the next one.